Alright, John, so I figured I'd just go ahead and record it. I got tired of typing. So here's your LMS file. It's just your, or LAS file, sorry, your animation sequence out of LOR without that extra one LOR channel. Of course, it just goes through one all the way down to, should be 512, I believe, right? Yep. So 512 right here. So universe 50 address all the way 1 through 512. So once we've got that, we can go in here to xlights. Now what I'm going to do is just take this back to a fresh install of xlights. So there's a blank one. Alright, so brand new install of xlights. The first thing I'm going to do is add E131. Starting universe 1, number of universes, we got 50 on your little thing, so 52, 51's fine. Last channel 512, just add those. Then I'm going to save that setup. Then I'm going to go over here to the layout tab, and I'm going to go create a new model. Let's just do, I don't care, test. Let's just make some arches, I guess. Arches. Single color, blue would be fine. Number of arches, let's do 4. I don't know, 100 segments per arch, 50. I don't know. I needed to change those channels to the 50 universe channels, so let's go back and see what that is. So setup, universe 50, 25,089. So we'll go back to the layout, model properties. 25,089, not 89. Alright, and then we'll save that as well. Alright, so now all I've got to do is over on the convert tab, all channels off and in. And then this right here is what Gil was talking about, map empty LMS channels. That's if you're using CCRs or something like that. You can map those extra macro channels. You don't want to do that though. I typically leave them all checked when I'm messing with somebody else's sequences. That way I can see any kind of errors or any kind of extra channels that it pulls in that are in their LOR files that are not otherwise in there, that shouldn't be there. But you can leave them both unchecked if you want to, and then just show verbose channel mapping. What I typically do now is just file, new sequence, go to animation, 20 frames per second, lightorama. We'll grab your LAS file, just right here. All channels off and in, and then the other two just doesn't matter. I mean, just click OK, and we're done. You will get that warning that that channel is empty because there's nothing on it, but it still should bring all that stuff in there. Alright, now if we go over here to the sequencer and I click on add, edit display elements, add, we'll put the test arches in there. We'll double click to expand them, expand that strand, and then hit render. There it all is. Should pull everybody your data in from your LAS file, and we can just verify that it's working correctly. So 1 second we should have one starting, and there's 1 second one starting, and then I think it does. The chase doesn't go all the way through, does it? It ends somewhere down here. Yeah, so it ends around channel 131. So if we keep on scrolling down through here, we should be on our second strand actually, right there, 131. So it is working perfectly. Let me know if this helps out any. You may have just forgotten to hit this little render button up here to bring the data in. But let me know if that works for you or if it doesn't. Alright, man. See you.